Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. Today I will not show you another property or another real estate we are offering for sale or for rent. Today I will talk about something very special our area is offering. Sometimes it's not necessary to go to the other side of the world to find the most stunning landscapes and the most beautiful places. In the middle of the Alicante region, there is a huge pink lagoon of 1,400 hectares that is part of the natural park of the Lagunas de la Mata and Torrevieja. It's the most spectacular salt lake in Spain, if not the whole Europe. Today I will tell you specifically about these lakes and in what unique place we are living. These natural reserves are home to many rare birds that are listed in the red books. Scientists believe that these lakes were formed over a long time ago and have healing properties. The air within a radius of 15 kilometers has healing properties, so people come here especially to treat respiratory problems and also treat skin problems. The water enriched with a huge amount of minerals and trace elements. So I agree, there is nothing more important than health, especially in our time where we are living now. So it's not only beautiful, it's also the most productive salt lagoon of our continent, since 800,000 tons of salt are extracted annually, which are exported to Northern Europe and the United States for industrial purposes, like for roads or dishwasher salt, but also for food, to make, for example, salted fish. It's pricelessly one of the most beautiful places, and the pink is bubblegum pink. So it characterizes this lagoon similar to other, such as the Lake of Hillier or the Hutt Lagoon in Australia. So our main office is located next to this Laguna Salada and the Torrevieja Pink Lake. And the most of real estate we are offering you are located in this area. So for now, let's just enjoy this wonderful place of nature.